Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing the Factor VIII and Factor IX mutation analysis test, which is crucial for the diagnosis and management of hemophilia A B. Let's dive into the details. Pre-test information. Before we get started, it's important to note that no special preparation is required for this test. You can continue with your normal routine before giving a sample. Diseases associated. The Factor VIII and Factor IX mutation analysis test is primarily used for the diagnosis of hemophilia A B, respectively. Specimen used. The specimen used for this test is typically a blood sample. Components include F8 gene. This gene encodes for Factor VIII, and mutations in this gene are associated with hemophilia A. F9 gene. This gene encodes for Factor IX, and mutations here are associated with hemophilia B. Test report time. You can expect your test report within 15 working days. Test information. Hemophilia A B are bleeding disorders caused by deficiencies in Factor VIII and Factor IX, respectively. They are inherited in an X-linked recessive pattern, meaning they primarily affect males. Let's break this down. Hemophilia A. Hemophilia is caused by mutations in the F8 gene, which is located on the X chromosome. This mutation leads to reduced or absent production of Factor VIII, a crucial clotting factor in blood. Hemophilia B. Hemophilia B is caused by mutations in the F9 gene, also located on the X chromosome. These mutations result in reduced or absent production of Factor IX, another vital clotting factor. Von Willebrand disease. VWD is another bleeding disorder, but unlike hemophilia, it is caused by defects in chromosome 12 and can be inherited from both parents. Why is this test important? Mutation detection. This test identifies specific mutations or deletions in the F8 or F9 genes, which are crucial for the diagnosis and management of hemophilia A. Risk prediction. It helps in predicting the risk of developing inhibitors against Factor VIII or Factor IX replacement therapies. Carrier detection. It assists in identifying carriers of the mutation who may not have symptoms but can pass the condition to their children. For families affected by hemophilia, this test allows for prenatal diagnosis, enabling early intervention and management. Conclusion. In summary, the Factor VIII and Factor IX mutation analysis test is a vital tool for diagnosing and managing hemophilia A. By detecting mutations in the F8 and F9 genes, it helps in predicting inhibitor risks, identifying carriers, and facilitating prenatal diagnosis for affected families. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative content. See you next time.